Good evening, YouTubers. How you doing? In this video, I want to talk about financial advisors and the stock market and stuff. Financial advisors should be called financial scumbags, but they are really financial sales people. Okay. Now, I watched a video and you can see it. Specifically, this is Edward Jones' site, and this bitch right here, this blonde bitch. See, she says right now is now a good time to invest. That's the title of the video. And this bitch praises, yeah, it is a good time. But if you look at the stock market, you see this? We're right here right now. You see, look, this is a 20, I forget if this is a 1,000-year chart or, no, it's 10-year or something, 20 year. Yeah, we're right here right now. We are dangerously overvalued. Now, any financial analyst should determine that this is overvalued and it's going to plummet. Now, 99% of financial advisors, so-called financial advisors, will not tell you that this is overvalued. Especially this stupid bitch right here. She ain't gonna tell you that, and she's not telling you that. If you look at the video. Now, I'm specifically picking on Edward Jones because I did invest with them 2 years ago. They lost me money, and I'm not gonna go into the story, but I fired my advisor, and he gave me a whole bunch of excuses and blah, blah, blah. But right now is a terrible time to invest. And just like you know, financial advisors, or financial salespeople, I should say, they're not in it for your best interest. Financial advisors, salespeople, they're in it for themselves, okay? They got to sell their shit, their garbage, their stocks and mutual funds. And actually, I did invest in mutual funds. I'm a sucker. But all you're going to do is lose money right now. The stock market's overvalued. And the advisors are not going to tell you that because they got to sell their shit. They got to put bread on their table. They got to make money from the commissions. And most financial advisors, or basically all of them, they themselves don't buy mutual funds. They don't invest most of their money in the stock market because they know their shit that they sell is a load of shit. But they want to sell you it so that they make money. And what you want to do, if you want to talk to an advisor, ask them if they invest in mutual funds. Ask the advisor if they invest their own money in mutual funds or the stocks that they're trying to sell you. Most of them will tell you either no or they're going to decline to answer that question because they know it's a bunch of garbage. But remember, no matter how undervalued or overvalued the stock market is, these financial assholes, they're not going to tell you to wait until stocks, have fallen and shit. They're just going to tell you to buy, 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 buy. All the time, they're going to tell you to buy. What you want to do is buy physical gold and silver. And financial advisors, they don't like to hear that because they don't sell gold and silver. So they're not going to make any commission money if you buy physical gold and silver. So you can attack these financial advisors by buying gold and silver. Now, don't buy the paper shit, the gold and silver paper crap, ETFs, whatever they're called. Those are also a big-ass scam. It's like everything that these financial salespeople do is a scam. It's basically it. So, you want to avoid it, get these beautiful silver and gold stuff. Even if financial advisors, I know a lot of them will tell you to buy against the tide when stocks plummet. But this is a sales pitch, and I'll explain why. Even though it's true, you should buy at the dips. But the reason it's a sales pitch from these salespeople is because when the stocks are overvalued, like right now, they're not going to tell you to just wait on it. They're just going to tell you to buy, buy, buy. Always buy. So avoid these financial scam artists, okay? And stick with gold and silver right now. I would recommend get educated with smarter people than these, Edward Jones type assholes. Anyways, hope this video helps. Later, bye.